Good morning. We have our dough out this morning. We're going to be shaping it into ciabatta type loaves. We've got some nice strong gluten formation here. I'm going to flour the surface, and then I'll put a little flour on top of the dough as well. I'll be turning the dough out. Make sure to use extra flour if you need it. This dough has been fermented overnight and it's pretty cold. I'll be making 4 small loaves at around 450 grams each. This dough is 100% hydration and it has 50% organic hard red spring wheat and 50% bread flour. I'll get my couche ready here. I need to move these over a little bit. Let's flour up this couche. Okay, let me start with this one. I'm going to handle these really gently. They're going to be flipped over just once like that. And then placed in the couche. This is a rough shaping. We're not going to round off the edges or anything. Just a nice little flip and put it in the couche. Little flip, put it in the couche. Flip, and in the couche. The oven's been preheating for about 45 minutes at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. I will allow this dough to rest for about 30 minutes and then we'll bake them off.